Here are the starters for your Los Angeles.
Bob, what are you going to be keeping an eye on in tonight's game?
Points in the paint. The team that can win the battle down there is going to be the one that comes out on top.
Odom is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. I just love alley-oops. McGrady, good fake. Gonna shoot. He makes the jumper.
The assist to Michael Jordan.
As soon as he got the pick, he was looking for the roll and hit him with that pass.
Miller puts up the shot. Blocks it. Three. No. Lewis grabs the board. Jordan, good fake. Puts up the tray. McGrady can't find the hole. Mim takes the board. High contact, Bob.
That's what we've been saying.
He initiates the offense. He steps on the sideline and it'll cost him the ball.
That's the kind of unforced error that just will get you on the bench.
O'Neal with the fake. Davis, left of the circle. Mim grabs it. Odom wants to try and work it into the post here. Oh, Jim! The Clippers lead by 4. Lewis goes up. That didn't help.
The player is so committed to contesting the shot, he wasn't even able to avoid the goaltending call.
Odom takes the jumper.
That was a poor decision on the ball handler's part.
Lazy passes are easy targets, Bob. Coming down hard with a tomahawk jam.
Solid D. Just solid D. Yes.
Miller is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
When it comes down to crunch time, Baron Davis is the guy you want to have the ball. That's a 6-zip run. He sets it up. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
With a nice shot fake.
Watch for the foul.
They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Yes!
They're having a hard time containing him.
His shots keep dropping. You can debate whether it's his awesome athletic ability, his complete understanding of the game, or his unrelenting determination to win. What there is no debate about is that Michael Jordan is the greatest player in the game. Brand is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Out to Miller. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points down low. That is some dead-eye shooting.
Brand is whistled for the defensive foul. Some of his teammates on the bench don't look very happy with it.
They know what the score is down, and they don't like watching those kinds of mistakes.
Tries the three. Brady comes up empty. Miller takes the shot. McGrady for the quick spin move. Brand boards it. Miller sets things up. McGetty, good fake. Oh, yes. That's a 6-0 run. The Clippers are up by 4. Lewis pump fakes. McGrady with the rainmaker. McGetty feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it.
No, come on.
They're trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Can't find the hole. O'Neal collects the rebound. Strips the ball.
If this is going to be the last shot of the quarter, they should be the ones taking it.
One-on-one, this player is hard to stop.
Out of bounds. Los Angeles ball.
Shot clock is dead. Backs down his defender. He fakes. Fires away.
The assist to Andre Miller.
Lewis at the horn. At the end of the first quarter, Los Angeles is up 14-8. Bob, how would you say play has gone so far?
Well, I think the first quarter played out pretty much the way we expected. I'd like to see one of these teams start shaking things up out there.
This isn't the kind of player who needs 3 picks and a pass to score.
Just give him the rock and get out of his way.
We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work, Don.
He sets it up on the left side. Lewis fakes the shot for 3 points.
That was no kind of shot.
Coach might want to dock this one up. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. McGetty is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Tosses it into McGetty. Davis with the steal. He's just racing down the court. Finger roll. Los Angeles wasn't able to get in front of the attack.
I think they got caught by surprise that time.
He's been robbed. Davis with the fake to Lewis. Dishes off to McGrady. Back to Hill. Davis with the 3. Their coach has to be happy with those rebounding numbers. Lewis takes it away. With a quick spin move to Hill. To Davis. He fakes the shot. He'll shoot. Brand takes the rebound. Los Angeles runs the fast break. Hill with the theft. They'll add another steal to their total for the game. Now that's what I call a power jam.
Number 52, Chris Wilcox. Number 5, Von Vigo coming.
Davis with the steal. Orlando is showing us their running game right now. That's an 8-0 run. The Magic are up by 2. Backing his man down. You can't block it if you can't see it. He has 8 points. To Davis. He pump fakes. He takes the jumper. Brand grabs it. With a nice shot fake, McGetty puts up the shot.
Here's a kid who got drafted into the big league straight out of high school, Don.
Yeah, now he's arguably one of the top 5 players in the NBA. He fakes the shot.
Out of bounds. Clippers ball.
Back on G.
Goes up. No. Lewis grabs the board.
2 minutes remaining in the second
Passes
quarter.
off to Davis. To O'Neal. To Hill. He fakes. Gives it off to Hill. Cummings grabs it. He'll bring it up court. To Q. Knocked away.
What are you doing?
That was a slick two-handed jam. He's now got 6 points. The Magic leads by 4. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. Backs him in. Richardson pump fakes. Another short-range miss.
They've got to take it hard to the rim and throw one down.
Not there. Cummings gets the rebound. Odom, former Rookie of the Year. Elton Brand is clearly one of today's top NBA stars. Brand is trying to get the area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Shot blocked by Hill. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats. That's a 6-0 run. I think we're seeing a call for some boats play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Powers it down with a two-handed jam. That's an 8-zip run. The Magic are ahead by 8. Cummings will bring it up court. They want to try and work it into the post here. Backs his man down with the nice shot fake. Brand with the 2.
On yours. Strong D.
To McGrady. He fakes the shot. He pulls the trigger. McGrady misfired. Mim boards it. That's 5 boards for the former first-round pick. To the goods. He puts up the shot. He couldn't get it to fall. To McGrady. Q denies the easy penetration. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. The defense hates to get caught up by those isolation plays.
With his scoring ability, you've got to think a double team. But he can also beat you with the pass.
Brand, he's a bit of a perfectionist, and it bothers him that this part of the game isn't quite there yet. It's the second. At the end of the second quarter, Orlando is ahead 26-20. If this team does one thing differently in the second half, they should contest more shots.
Absolutely, Don. I'm talking about really getting up on the guys, challenging the shooters, just not waving a hand in their face.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
Fires away. Blocked by McGrady. Takes the shot. Blocked. 3. Odom, no good. O'Neal grabs the rebound. Slapping it down with a windmill dunk. The assist to O'Neal.
Dumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Odom fakes the shot. Bats it away. Pass to Mim. He couldn't keep the ball in play.
It looked like he tripped over his own feet that time.
Gives it off to McGrady. He spins with the nice shot fake. Out to McGrady. To the Diesel. Passes off to McGrady. Dumps it into McGrady. Hill puts up the J. You betcha. He has 8 points. The Magic are ahead by 10.
That player has quick hands and sticky fingers.
Takes the jumper. He buries the shot. That's a 6-0 run. Los Angeles had better kickstart their offense.
I think I'd start by kicking some of the starters off the floor and see what I can get out of the second year.
Up with the shot.
Perimeter defenders have to be aware of those entry passes and start to contest them.
To Shaq. He gets his man off his feet. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. He'll bring it up court. Millard sets it up. No. O'Neal grabs it. He's not slowing down the tempo of this game. Now we're seeing the best part of his game.
And you don't have to guess what all the noise is about.
McGetty wants to try and work it into the post here. Brand with the shot.
Count it.
Pass to Lewis. To Davis. To Hill. Dishes off to Lewis. Gives it off to Hill. Goes up. Got it.
He hits another one. Oh, man. Orlando able to come up with the ball out of the scramble.
Not there. Miller pulls it down. That's their game, running the fast break. Orlando has to do a better job in transition.
This looks like a weak spot for them,
2 minutes
Don.
remaining in the third quarter.
He fakes. Sends it to Hill. From downtown. Can't find the hole. grabs the rebound. Dish to McGetty. Looks at the three. Nails the tray. That's 7 points for the former Duke Blue Devil. To Hill with a nice shot fake to T-Mac. Sends it to Davis. He buries the jumper.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Mim puts up the shot.
Out of bounds.
I don't think the player liked that call.
He's trying to reason with the official, but I don't think I've ever seen that work.
With a nice shot fake, blocked. Odom feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Puts up the jumper. Shot blocked by T-Mac. To the Diesel. To T-Mac. To Hill with a fake. Passes off to McGrady. To Davis. Fires away. To Miller. Los Angeles is on the fast break. They've got the numbers. That's 6 points for the fourth-year pro.
The assist to Andre Miller.
He gets his man in the air. Drains it. Los Angeles seems to have lost their focus.
They need to huddle up and get their story straight.
Davis with a defensive foul.
To number 1, Baron Davis. First foul in the last 2 minutes.
He bats it away. Davis is called for the defensive foul.
This player will be near the top of the free throw standings for the season.
It'd be nice to see him take top honors in that category.
I'd say he deserves it.
Los Angeles narrows the gap to 11 with a spin move. Miller is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
Puts up the tray. No good. After 3, Orlando is ahead 43. Now's the time for them to keep up the pressure.
They've played 3 solid quarters so far, but that doesn't mean anything if you ease up.
Tries the 3. McGetty grabs the rebound. Miller is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. With a nice shot fake, swatted away by Lewis. Brand with the J.
This is what you call a shooting streak.
Number 50, Corey McGetty.
Hill fakes the shot. Batted away by Miller.
Out of bounds. Orlando ball.
10 seconds to
Into the
put
game
up the
for
shot.
Clippers. Number 3, Quentin Richardson.
With a nice shot fake, McGrady puts it up. Mim picks up the defensive foul. T-Mac now has 12 points. This isn't what the defense wanted to do.
This is one player who loves to get a chance at the line.
Rims off. Richardson grabs it. He'll bring it up court. Up fake. Batted away by T-Mac. Now that's what I call a power jam. He'll bring it up court. Miller wants to try and work it into the post here. Shot blocked by O'Neal. They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
To Brand. To Mim. Sends it to Brand. Swats it away. He ran into trouble that time.
Unforced errors are going to be the death of this team.
To O'Neal. Miller with the steal. He sets up the offense. Dumps it into Mim. Pass to Richardson. Hill grabs it. To T-Mac with a nice shot fake. Dishes off to Hill. Gives it off to Davis. Goes up. Got it. He's doing a nice job.
Into the game.
I don't know if they can shut him down.
Chris Wilcox. And number 5, Montego Cummings.
Tracking his defender down. With the two.
They're not quick enough to collapse on the inside shot, so they better start challenging the pass.
To Hill. There's the fake. Wilcox grabs it with the quick transition. That was a sick two-handed jam.
The assist to
With a nice shot fake. Sends it to Davis. He couldn't get it to fall. Wilcox pulls it down. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. To Brand. He puts up the shot. Yes!
Maybe they should stick to playing defense straight up.
It might work if they switch some of the assignments around. Powers it down to the two-handed jam. That's 16 points for the former first-round
into the
pick.
game for the Los Angeles Clippers. Number 4, Chris Mihm, and number 7, Lamar Odom.
He pump fakes.
Out of bounds, Los Angeles ball.
Gives it off to Richardson. For three. Brady takes the rebound. The action coming back quickly the other way. Mr. High Riser. He sure threw that one down with authority. The Clippers are on the wrong side of a huge lead.
At this stage in the game, they're running out of time to stage a big comeback.
If they're trying to milk this situation for drama, well, they've succeeded. That's 7 points for the former first-round pick.
If they get a turnover, they've got to run back and try for a quick basket.
To Shaq. Up fake.
Defense.
Mihm with the steal.
Into the game for the Los Angeles Clippers. Number 24, Andre Miller, and number 50, Lawrence Mugetti.
Back to Miller. Back to Odom. Sends it to Miller. Blocked by McGrady. That player needs to get his head back into the game.
I can't figure out why he would crowd the line when there's no press.
Pass to Hill. He's been robbed. Miller will bring it up court. He sets things up.
They can feel this one slipping away from them.
The only thing they can do, Bob, is foul.
Andre Miller.
Lewis with the J. Miller grabs the rebound. Odom on the right side. For three. No. They're starting to scramble on defense.
Don, they don't want to foul a shooter, but they've got to foul soon.
He leads the team with 18 points. The three. No. Hill picks it out of the air. I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. Miller launches a three. O'Neal grabs the rebound. T-Mac goes up. Odom collects the rebound. He sets it up on the left side. His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he can get some room, he can really operate.
The final score, the Magic 57, the Clippers 46.